Hello, and welcome back to Daily English Zone. My name is Zoe. I'm so glad you're here. Today, we will learn how to speak more naturally on the phone. We will practice 50 useful English phone phrases. You can use these in real conversations every day, with friends, with coworkers, with customer service, even with strangers. Each sentence will be simple. I will say it clearly. Then I will explain it. Then I'll give you an example. You will listen. You will repeat. You will shadow my voice. And you will become more confident. Let's get started. Here is your first phrase. 1. Hello, this is Zoe speaking. We use this at the start of a phone call. It tells the other person who you are. It's polite. It's clear. Example. Hello, this is Zoe speaking. I'm calling about the delivery. 2. May I speak to Emma, please? We use this when we want to talk to someone specific. This is helpful if someone else answers the phone. Example. Hi, may I speak to Emma, please? It's Zoe calling. 3. Good morning. How can I help you? This is a formal way to answer the phone. It is used in offices or stores. Example. Good morning. How can I help you today? 4. Is this a good time to talk? We use this to check if someone is busy. It's polite when you call someone without warning. Example. Hi, is this a good time to talk? I have a quick question. 5. I'm calling about the meeting tomorrow. We use this to say why we are calling. It's good to say this early in the call. Example. Hello, I'm calling about the meeting tomorrow. Are we still on? 6. I just wanted to check in with you. This means we are following up. It can also mean we're asking how someone is doing. Example. Hey, I just wanted to check in with you about the project. 7. Can you hear me okay? This checks the sound quality. We use this if the phone connection is not clear. Example. Hi, can you hear me okay? You sound a bit far away. 8. Sorry, I think we have a bad connection. We say this when we can't hear the other person clearly. Maybe the line is noisy. Maybe the signal is weak. Example. Sorry, I think we have a bad connection. You're cutting out. 9. Thanks for getting back to me. We use this when someone returns our call or message. It's a polite way to say thank you. Example. Thanks for getting back to me so quickly. 10. I hope I'm not calling at a bad time. This is another polite way to start a call. We use it when we think someone might be busy. Example. Hi, I hope I'm not calling at a bad time. Do you have a minute? 11. Could you say that again, please? We use this when we didn't hear something clearly. It's simple and polite. Example. Sorry, could you say that again? The line dropped for a second. 12. Can you speak a bit more slowly? This helps if someone talks too fast. It's great for English learners. Example. Can you speak a bit more slowly, please? I'm writing it down. 13. I didn't catch that. Can you repeat it? This is another way to ask for a repeat. It means we missed the information. Example: I didn't catch that. Can you repeat the address, please? 14. Let me make sure I understood you correctly. We use this when we want to check details. It helps avoid mistakes. Example: let me make sure I understood you correctly. The meeting is at 2 p.m., right? 15. Can I take a message for you? We say this when someone is not available. It's polite and helpful. Example: he's not in right now. Can I take a message for you? 16. Would you like to leave a message? This is another polite offer. We ask this when the person they want to speak to is not there. Example: she's in a meeting. Would you like to leave a message? 17. I'll let her know you called. This shows we will tell someone about the call. It's polite and friendly. Example: okay, I'll let her know you called this morning. 18. Please ask him to call me back. We use this when we want a return call. We're talking to someone else who can pass the message. Example: could you please ask him to call me back after lunch? 19. Can I leave a message for Mr. Lee? We say this when the person we want is not there. We ask to leave a message. Example: can I leave a message for Mr. Lee? Just tell him I called. 20. Sorry, you're breaking up. This means the voice on the phone isn't clear. It's cutting in and out. Example: sorry, you're breaking up. Can you say that again? 21. Can you hear me now? We use this when we move to a new location. We want to check if the signal is better. Example: can you hear me now? I stepped outside for better signal. 22. I missed that. What did you say? We say this when we didn't hear part of what was said. It's useful in noisy places or bad connections. Example: sorry, I missed that. What did you say after Tuesday? 23. Could you say that again a bit slower? This is polite and helpful for learners. You're asking for a repeat slowly. Example: could you say that again a bit slower? I didn't catch the last word. 24. Let me read that back to you. This is used when confirming details. You say it before repeating an address, phone number, or date. Example: let me read that back to you. 01573340990. Is that right? 25. All right, I'll let you go. This is a polite way to end a call. It shows respect for the other person's time. Example: okay, sounds good. I'll let you go. Talk to you soon. 26. Thanks for calling. A polite ending. Use it in both professional and casual calls. Example: thanks for calling. Let's talk again soon. 27. Talk to you later. This is friendly and informal. Perfect for friends, co-workers, or family. Example: I'll finish the report and send it soon. Talk to you later. 28. Let me know if anything changes. This is used when making plans or setting appointments. Example: We're still on for 3 p.m. Let me know if anything changes. 29. Take care. A kind, warm way to say goodbye. It leaves a good feeling. Example: Thanks again for the update. Take care. 30. I can't talk right now. Can I call you back? We use this when we are busy, but want to continue the conversation later. Example: Hey, I'm in a meeting. Can I call you back in 15 minutes? 31. Can you give me 10 minutes? This means you're almost free but need a little time. Example: I'm finishing lunch. Can you give me 10 minutes? 32. Let's talk a bit later. We use this when we want to delay the conversation. Example: I'm just getting into a taxi. Let's talk a bit later. 33. I'll call you as soon as I can. This is a promise. You will return the call as soon as you're free. Example: I'm at the doctor's office. I'll call you as soon as I can. 34. Mind texting me instead? This is useful when you can't talk but can read a message. Example: I'm in class right now. Mind texting me instead? 35. Can I just check your phone number? We use this to make sure we have the correct number. Example: Before we hang up, can I just check your phone number? 36. Could you spell that for me? We use this when we don't understand a word or name clearly. Example: Sorry, could you spell that for me? Was that Rahul? 37. Just checking in to see if you got my message. This is polite and useful for follow-up. Example: Just checking in. Did you get the file I sent yesterday? 38. Any update on that? This is short and friendly. You're asking if there's new info. Example: Hey, any update on the invoice from last week? 39. I'll follow up with you tomorrow. This shows you're responsible. You will contact again tomorrow. Example: No worries. I'll follow up with you tomorrow after lunch. 40. I tried calling earlier but couldn't get through. This means your call didn't go through before. Example: I tried calling earlier but couldn't get through. Was your phone off? 41. Sorry, I missed your call. This is used when you return a missed call. Example: Hey, sorry I missed your call. I was in a meeting. 42. I'll text you the details. You can use this when you want to send info after the call. Example: Don't worry. I'll text you the address and time. 43. Let me know if you need anything else. This is polite and supportive. You say it when you want to help. Example: That's all the info I have. Let me know if you need anything else. 44. I'll send you a reminder later. We use this when we want to help the other person remember. Example: I'll send you a reminder later about the meeting time. 45. Just wanted to confirm our call time. We say this to double-check appointments. Example: Just wanted to confirm our call time is 4 p.m., right? 46. Let's schedule a quick call. We use this when we want to set up a short conversation. Example: let's schedule a quick call to review the details. 47. Are you free for a call later today? This is how we check someone's availability. Example: are you free for a call later today? Maybe after 3. 48. I'll get back to you soon. This means you will reply or call later. Example: I need to check something first. I'll get back to you soon. 49. Can I give you a quick call? This is a polite way to ask before calling. Example: hey, can I give you a quick call to explain? 50. Let's stay in touch. A warm, final phrase. It shows you want to talk again in the future. Example: great to hear from you. Let's stay in touch. That's it. You've now learned 50 phone phrases. Each one is simple. Each one is useful. And each one helps you sound more natural in English. You listened. You shadowed. You practiced. And you grew stronger in your English skills. These are the phrases that real people use. They help you in real life, in work calls, in personal calls, in appointments and more. Come back and listen again. Practice until these sentences feel easy. Use them in your day-to-day phone life. And remember, every time you shadow, you build confidence. Keep listening, keep learning, and keep believing in yourself. This is Zoe, and you're listening to Daily English Zone. I'll see you in the next episode. Bye for now.